Cooking shouldn't feel like hard work. What if it could be almost effortless? These 27 kitchen gadgets are designed to save you time, cut the effort, and make everything easier. And gadget number 6 is something you'll wish you had sooner. Make fruit prep fast and effortless with this strawberry huller made from 304 food-grade stainless steel. Easily remove stems from strawberries, tomatoes, and more with precision and safety. The built-in safety lock and ergonomic non-slip grooved handle offer comfort and control. Durable, dishwasher-safe on high heat, and easy to clean. This handy kitchen tool saves time and delivers perfectly prepped produce every time. Cook effortlessly with the 1000W automatic cooking machine. Featuring a 5.45-quart 360 degrees rotating pot, it automatically stirs, fries, and stews for even cooking every time. This multifunctional appliance works as a rice cooker, steamer, and stir-fry machine, making it perfect for soups, sauces, and one-pot meals. With smart touch controls, you can easily select cooking modes and adjust settings for precision. Durable, efficient, and convenient, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for busy home cooks or commercial use. Meet the Scene-Last warming mat for food, designed to keep your meals perfectly warm anytime. With adjustable temperature control and a built-in timer, you can customize the heat for different dishes with ease. This electric food warming mat features fast 10-second heating, making it ideal for parties, buffets, and daily family meals. The included insulating pad and raised feet help protect your table from heat damage while ensuring safe use. Sleek, practical, and efficient. This electric vegetable slicer set is a powerful 4-in-1 portable food processor designed to make kitchen prep fast and effortless. It slices, chops, and mixes vegetables, meat, garlic, onions, peppers, and more with one touch. The rechargeable, wireless design lets you use it anywhere without cords, while the sharp stainless steel blades deliver quick, even results. Compact and easy to clean, this smart kitchen tool saves time and energy. Perfect for busy home cooks who want fresh ingredients in seconds. Keep your sink clean and clutter-free with the LLQ 2-pack sink strainer basket. This 2025 upgraded design features a suction cup press for easy attachment and automatic dumping of food waste. It also doubles as a faucet sponge storage rack, saving space and time. Durable, colorful, and super convenient, perfect for a cleaner, smarter kitchen. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Kosaurus' unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just one basket. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Included user manual, chef-created 30-recipe cookbook with pictures, cooking charts. Please be sure to check before discarding the box so you don't miss out on these helpful resources. The Hallstein Houseware's stainless steel 2-section omelet frittata maker lets you prepare delicious meals in minutes. With 2 separate cooking sections, you can make 2 portions at the same time. The non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, while indicator lights show when it's ready to cook. Its compact design makes storage simple, and the stainless steel finish adds a modern touch. Perfect for omelets, frittatas, and more, fast, easy, and versatile. Keep your food, drinks, and skincare cool, or warm, anywhere with the Collapsible mini fridge. This portable 4L/6 fridge is perfect for bedroom, dorm, office, or car use, with 12 VAC DC power and an exclusive USB option. Compact, versatile, and ideal for drinks, snacks, or beauty products on the go. The Starfruit Rod Auto Express electric peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables fast and effortless. With just the push of a button, it automatically peels potatoes, apples, and more in seconds. It comes with 2 spare blades for long-lasting performance and safe, hands-free operation. The stable base keeps it secure while working, making it easy for anyone to use. Perfect for everyday cooking, this electric peeler saves time and reduces kitchen effort. Create your own beautiful candles at home with the KQ Candle Making Kit. This all-in-one DIY kit includes premium wax, glass jars, and a wax melter, making it easy for adults to craft custom candles. Perfect for art, crafts, gifts, or relaxing at-home projects, it brings creativity and style to every space. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is perfect for large families or entertaining guests. With its spacious oval design, it easily fits big cuts of meat and family-sized meals. The easy manual controls let you choose low or high cooking settings for stress-free, slow-cooked results. Its durable stainless steel exterior looks great in any kitchen, while the removable stoneware makes serving and cleaning simple. Just set it, forget it, and enjoy delicious home-cooked meals every time. Prepare healthy, fresh meals for your little one with the Bear Baby Food Maker. This all-in-one set includes a baby food processor, storage containers, silicone spoons, and a puree blender for fruits, vegetables, and meats. Make nutritious, homemade baby food quickly and safely every day. Open stubborn lids effortlessly with the 2-piece adjustable stainless steel jar opener. Designed for weak hands, seniors, and arthritis relief, this durable metal opener adjusts to fit jars, bottles, and tight lids of all sizes. The non-slip grip provides extra leverage, making opening easy and pain-free. Portable, vintage style, and built to last, this smart kitchen gadget turns tough lids into a simple twist. Enjoy fresh corn the easy way with the Chef N Cobb Plus Corn Stripper and Peeler. This smart kitchen tool quickly removes kernels from the cob in one smooth motion, saving time and reducing mess. The built-in safety pusher keeps your hands protected while ensuring maximum kernel removal. Its compact, ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand and is simple to use for both home cooks and beginners. Perfect for salads, salsas, soups, and side dishes, this corn stripper delivers clean results in seconds. A must-have gadget for fast, safe, and effortless corn prep every time. Meet the KATCHENDO glass sugar dispenser, a stylish and practical upgrade for your kitchen. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it features a side pour spout for smooth, mess-free pouring and a built-in lid that helps slow down moisture. With easy-to-read measuring marks and a BPA-free design, bring pizzeria-style pizza home with the P-Smart electric pizza oven. Designed for 12-inch pizzas, it reaches an impressive 850 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly crispy crusts in minutes. Choose from 8 smart cooking modes or customize your bake using app connectivity to monitor temperature and set precise cooking times. Compact and stylish in a beige finish, make snack time safer and faster with the White Rhino grape cutter for toddlers. Designed for kids ages 1 to 3, this handy kitchen gadget quickly quarters grapes, cherry tomatoes, strawberries, and more with a single press. The enclosed blade design helps reduce cutting risks while saving parents time. Compact, easy to use, and perfect for lunch prep, it's an essential tool for safer snacking and stress-free meals, at home or on the go. Cook healthy, flavorful meals with the Cuisinart Cook Fresh digital glass food steamer. This 5-liter steamer features 5 pre-programmed settings for vegetables, seafood, and more, plus a convenient keep warm function and audible alerts. The dishwasher-safe glass pot makes cleanup easy, making it a smart, modern addition to any kitchen. Upgrade your drinks with the Tavolo Sphere ice molds, set of 2. These molds create large, slow-melting ice spheres that keep drinks colder longer without watering them down. Perfect for cocktails, whiskey, or iced coffee. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time. No electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Organize your spices in style with the 360 degrees rotating 2-tier spice rack. This revolving organizer holds 12 jars and spins effortlessly for easy access. Perfect for countertops or cabinets, it keeps your seasonings neatly arranged and within reach while cooking. Make food prep faster and cleaner with the Egil vegetable peeler set. This 2-piece peeler set includes a built-in container to catch peels, keeping your kitchen mess-free. With 6 interchangeable blades, it easily handles fruits and vegetables of all shapes and textures. Sharp, durable, and easy to store, this smart kitchen gadget saves time and effort. Perfect for everyday cooking and healthy meals. Cook healthier with the Kitchen Academy 10-piece ceramic cookware set. These non-stick, induction-ready pots and pans feature a non-toxic ceramic coating that's free from PFAS, PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. Durable, stylish, and easy to clean, perfect for everyday cooking. Make delicious pizzas anywhere with the Flame King Tanner 12-inch portable propane pizza oven. Designed for camping, backyard, and tailgating, it features multiple air vents, piezo auto ignition, and a non-stick pizza stone for perfectly crispy pizzas every time. Cook like a pro with the Anova Culinary Sous-vide Precision Cooker 3.0. Powered by 1100 watts, it heats water quickly and keeps the perfect temperature for restaurant-quality meals every time. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your cooking right from your phone. Just seal your food, set the temp, and enjoy perfectly tender, flavorful results. Easily bake fresh bread at home with the 5.2 QD electric dough maker. Featuring a ferment function, weighting system, and intuitive face-up touch panel, it ensures perfect dough every time. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, this dough maker is ideal for bread, pizza, and pastry enthusiasts. Astercook Pots and Pans Set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating, our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Versatile compatibility pots and pan sets are suitable for a wide range of heat sources, including induction, gas, and ceramic hobs. Ensure that the cookware sets are uniformly heated in a stable and efficient manner under all cooking conditions. Air fryer basket for oven. Transform your oven into an air fryer with the Openness large air fryer basket and tray set. Measuring 15.6 by 11.6 inches, this stainless steel basket gives you extra space for baking, grilling, and crisping your favorite foods. The elevated mesh design lets hot air circulate evenly, delivering that perfect golden crunch. No flipping needed. It also includes 30 parchment papers to prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless. Ideal for fries, chicken wings, veggies, and more. This oven air fryer basket and tray combo is your all-in-one solution for healthy, crispy cooking at home. Cook smarter with Openness. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Bare food processor. Powered by a 400W motor, it quickly chops meat, vegetables, and baby food with 2 stainless steel blade sets. The 8-cup and 2.5-cup glass bowls and 2-speed control give you perfect results for both small and large batches. Keep your snacks fresh anytime, anywhere with the Mini Bag Sealer 2-pack. This 2-in-1 handheld sealer and cutter lets you reseal plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and flavor. It's portable, rechargeable, and features a built-in magnet for easy storage on your fridge. Perfect for chips, snacks, and food storage. No bulky machines, no waste. Simple, smart, and super convenient for everyday use. Upgrade your kitchen with this 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser, designed for healthier, smarter cooking. The 17 ounces light-blocking glass bottle protects olive oil from sunlight, keeping it fresh longer. Switch easily between fine mist spraying and smooth pouring, perfect for salads, frying, air frying, and grilling. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe and durable for everyday use. Plus, the 8 included oil stickers help you label and organize with ease. Control oil usage, reduce waste, and cook like a pro. Simple, clean, and efficient. Make fun, homemade treats with the Maya-Woof Popsicle molds. This 10-cavity BPA-free silicone ice pop maker comes with sticks, bags, reusable sticks, a funnel, brush, and recipes, perfect for creating healthy, delicious popsicles at home. Make kitchen prep easier with this collapsible colander small strainer basket. Designed with a smart side drain system, it lets water pour out quickly without tipping food over. Perfect for rinsing pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it saves space by folding flat for easy storage. Durable and dishwasher safe, this handy strainer combines convenience, efficiency, and modern design for everyday cooking tasks. Meet the new Krabby Clip-On Strainer by Ototo, the cutest way to drain pasta and veggies fast. This adorable red crab clips securely onto your pot, making straining safe, easy, and mess-free. Crafted from heat-resistant silicone and durable stainless steel, it's built for everyday cooking. Perfect for pasta, noodles, vegetables, and more, Krabby adds fun to your kitchen while saving space. A cool kitchen gadget and funny gift that actually works, because cooking should be practical and playful. Upgrade your kitchen with the Badurk 4-piece stainless steel sugar bowl set. Each 9.8-ounce container comes with a matching lid, spoon, and tag for easy labeling. Made from durable stainless steel with an elegant gold finish, these bowls are perfect for storing sugar, coffee, tea, spices, pepper, or herbs. Stylish, practical, and perfect for keeping your condiments organized. Meet the patent-designed ribbed snackle box container, the perfect snack solution for travel and outdoor fun. This divided serving tray features 8 spacious compartments to keep fruits, veggies, charcuterie, and snacks neatly separated. With a secure lid and easy carry handle, it's portable, mess-free, and stylish. Ideal for beach trips, picnics, and family outings. Comes in a convenient 2-pack. Make perfect breakfast every time with this 4-pack silicone egg ring set. These non-stick, easy-to-use molds help you cook round eggs, pancakes, and breakfast sandwiches, perfectly shaped to fit McMuffin-style biscuits. Enjoy perfect tea time with the Belanco 2.5L whistling tea kettle. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it features a loud whistle to alert you when water boils and a stylish wood-pattern folding handle for safe, easy pouring. Elegant, durable, and perfect for tea, coffee, or milk. Make food prep quick and effortless with the crafty crocodile egg slicer for hard-boiled eggs. Featuring 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty kitchen tool delivers perfect slices every time. The sharp stainless steel wires easily cut eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes with a simple press. Durable, easy to use, and compact in design, it's the perfect kitchen chopper for salads, snacks, and everyday meal prep. Cook with confidence using this 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel stock pot. Made with durable 1810 whole-clad stainless steel, it delivers even heat for perfect soups, pasta, and stews. Induction-ready, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe, built for every modern kitchen.